and what are the thing are to find, and the density of that water they given. So density means rho. So rho of the density of the water they given 1 gram by centimeter cube they given. Okay, so will the object is float or will the object is sink? So condition is, see here, when you have taken any object, see here, if I take here, so in this I put some waters. Okay, so you know that when the object is, that means density is less, means it will float. When the density will be very high means it will sink, right? So density low, so density low means it will sink, and density high means, so density high means it will density low means it will float, density high means it will be sink. Okay, so we have to find the density. So density means, what is the formula? Density of the substance. So density of the substance means mass of the substance divided by volume of the substance. Okay, so mass of the substance divided by volume of the substance. So what is the mass they given? So 50, and what is the volume? 20. Okay, so 50 divided by 20, so 0 0 cancel, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, point remaining 1, so that means 1 10 will come, that means 5 2s are 10, to 2.5 gram by centimeter cube. Now if you look at that, density of the substance is equal to 2.5 gram per centimeter cube, density of the water is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So density will be high or low. The substance density is high or low. So obviously density of the substance is higher, 2.5 gram per centimeter cube, right? So that means what the thing is, so you have to know that density of the substance is greater than density of the water. So that means what is the case? So the object will be sink because the density is greater. So the substance will sink. So the substance will sink because the density of that object will be greater. Okay, understand students? Okay, so next one, shall we go to the next one? Just pause the video and note it. So thank you. The next video we'll see. So next question, what is the next question? The volume of 500 gram sealed packet is 350 centimeter cube. Will the packet float or sink if the water, if the density of the water 1 gram centimeter cube? What will be the mass of the water displaced by this packet? Okay, so first one you have to notice that the total volume of 500 gram sealed packet is 350 centimeter cube. Okay, so first one you have to find density. First mass is how much they given? Mass equal to 500 gram. Next what they given? Packet volume they given 350 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of the packet 350 centimeter cube they mentioned. So first find the density. So density rho equal to mass per unit volume, so which means 500 divided by 350, so that means 0 0 cancel, and the density of, see here, 50 35 so that means 50 divided by 35. Okay, we can cancel 10 5s are, what are the thing, 10 5s are 50 and 7 5s are 35, so 10 if we cancel means 7, see here 1 7s are 7, remaining 3, and 30 means 4 will come, right? In that 34 7s are 28, and the remaining 2 1.42, and remaining 6. Okay, so remaining 6 means 60 will come, so 1.428 approximately, so 1.428 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so that case, so density of the substance is 1.428, so density of water how much they given? 1 gram by centimeter cube. So will it float or sink? So obviously the density of the substance will be very high, that means density of the substance will be very high than the density of the water, that means the object will sink. Okay, so object will sink. Can you understand? Okay, so it will be sink. Okay, the next question, actually one more thing they asked, so what are the thing is, what is the thing, first one, yes, that how much mass of the water when it is placed, the object is placed, how much mass of the water get displaced. So that means, so the volume 350 centimeter cube, no. So if you put that any object which volume is 350 centimeter cube means, that means how much volume is there, that much water level will be displaced. So that means, so your volume, the volume of that object 350, so that volume should be equal to the mass of the water. So mass of the water, how much mass of the water get displaced means how much volume of that given object, so that much water will displaced. That means so here volume is 350, so that means mass of the water equal to, so 350 gram get displaced. Okay, so 350 gram get displaced. Okay, so 350 gram get displaced. So mass of the water get displaced, which is equal to that volume of that given object. Can you understand, students? Okay, so I hope you all understand. So next problem, can we see that any other problem is there or not? Sorry, just a minute. What is it? Sorry, here. Yes. So next to 116th problem we finished, I think so. And that what is that thing is, which problem we didn't complete? Okay, I think I hope most of the problems I completed. The 16th problem I did or not, I don't know, but anyway I will solve. Okay, calculate the force of gravitation between the earth and the sun, given that mass of the earth, so mass of the earth they given, mass of the sun they given, and the average distance they given. So calculate the force of gravitation. Okay, so can I rub the students? So first one you have to consider as this is sun, okay, and this is earth. So mass of the sun, so mass of the sun equal to how much they given? Mass of the sun 2 into 10 power 30. So 2 into 10 to the power 30. So 2 into 10 power 30 kilogram. Okay. So next, mass of the earth equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24. So mass of the earth, which is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kilogram. Okay. And next one, the distance between the two is 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. So distance between these two, so distance equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. They asked what is that force of gravitation between these two, force of gravitation, so that means F. Okay, force of gravitation between these two objects. Okay, so first you have to know that F equal to, so can I rub this one? We will solve in the reference new page. Okay, so F equal to, so G into M, that means M means mass of the sun and mass of that earth divided by the d square. Okay, so F equal to 6.67, that is that G value 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into mass of the sun. What is the mass of the sun? 2 into 10 power 10 to the power 30. Yeah. So 2 into 10 power 30 into what is that mass of that earth? 6 into 10 power 24 divided by and d square. So d square means what is that? D square here d equal to, so here d square, so d, what is that value here? 1.5 into 10 to the power 11. So 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 whole square. Okay, so first one we have to solve this one, F, which is equal to 6.67 into 2 into 10 to the power 30, no, 6 into 2, 12. So 6.67 into 12 into 10 power minus 11 into 10 power 24 into, so this 10 to the power 11, so if you squared means 10 to the power 22, it will go up means 10 to the power minus 22. Okay, am I right, students? Okay, so 10 to the power 11 square 22 minus 22 will come. Okay, so divided by 1.5 square, so 1.5 square, 2.25. Okay. And here we missed that 10. See here, 10 power 30, so 10 to 10 power 30. Okay, so sorry, this one. So I'll rub this one. The next step I'll write. Okay, so just a minute. F equal to 6.67 into 12 divided by 2.25 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 30 and into the 10 to the power 24, and the 10 to the power minus 22 will come up, means 10 to the power minus 22. Okay, so now add this one. F equal to, what is that value? Here 24 minus 22, what's called 2, so 32. So 32 minus what's called 11. Okay, okay, see here 32, no, so 32, so 11, so 21 will come. Okay, okay, see 10 to the power 30, 19 here, my 19, what is that, minus 3, so 10 to the power 21. Okay, so 6.67 into 12 divided by 2.25 into 10 to the power 21. So can we solve this one? 6.67 into 12, so 6.67 into 12, answer divided by 2.25, so 35.57, so 35.57. F equal to 35.57 into 10 to the power 21. Okay, so otherwise we can written as what is that, 35.57 to 10 to the power 21. Otherwise if we take this one, means F equal to, if I move this point here, means 3.557 into 10 to the power 22 Newton. So both also correct answer. Okay, so when you are moving the decimal point from what's called right to left, means you can add positive. When you are moving the decimal point from left to right, means you have to put negative, 10 to the power negative. Okay, so just a minute. So the value is actually 3.557 in 10 to the power 21. Okay, so if we take here I have taken G equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. So if we take the G value equal to 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11, means, so you will get that answer. What is that answer? That force equal to 3.57 into 10 to the power 21 Newton. Okay, so no problem. So either you can take 6.67 or 6.7. Okay, so you will get 3.557 or 57. So both the answer also correct. So this is that force between that two. So 3.57 into 10 to the power 21. So anyway, I hope you all understand. So thank you all. Thank you. So